Handwriting animation videos can captivate your audience, whether for teaching, storytelling, or marketing. Today, we'll show you how to create stunning handwriting animation videos step by step using VideoScribe, a user-friendly tool that brings your ideas to life. Let's get started. Step 1. Get started with VideoScribe. Go to videoscribe.co and sign up for an account. Once logged in, download the VideoScribe software for your desktop. Launch the application and start a new project. Step 2. Create your canvas. VideoScribe provides a blank canvas for your animation. Think of this as your workspace. Begin by setting up your canvas size and orientation, landscape or portrait, depending on your project's needs. Step 3. Add text for animation. Click on the text icon and type in the words you want animated. Choose a handwriting style from VideoScribe's extensive font library. You can also upload custom fonts to match your branding or theme. Step 4. Choose a handwriting hand. VideoScribe allows you to select the hand or tool that writes your text, such as a pen, marker, or chalk. You can even upload your own hand images for a personalized touch. Step 5. Customize animation settings. Fine-tune your animation by adjusting. Number 1. Writing speed to control how quickly the text appears. Number 2. Text size and position to ensure clarity. Number 3. Color and thickness of the strokes to match your aesthetic. Step 6. Add background and images. Enhance your video with a visually appealing background. Choose from VideoScribe's built-in options or upload a custom background image. You can also add clip art or icons to support your text. Step 7. Include voiceovers and music. Click on the audio tab to record a voiceover directly in VideoScribe or upload a pre-recorded file. Add background music from the built-in library to make your animation engaging and lively. Step 8. Preview and refine. Preview your video to see how everything flows together. Make adjustments to timing, animation effects, or text placement. As needed, VideoScribe's easy-to-use timeline lets you manage the sequence with precision. Step 9. Export your animation. Once satisfied with your project, export it as a video file. Choose from resolutions like HD or Full HD, depending on your requirements. Share it directly on platforms like YouTube or download it for offline use. With VideoScribe, creating handwriting animation videos is simple, fun, and effective. Dive in today and turn your ideas into engaging visuals that resonate with your audience. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.